And for the final major dollar pairs today, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. Starting off with USD Swiss on the daily time frame, this is our break of structure of our swing high and our swing low. We've had a demand chain pushing price up, liquidating this high before switching bearish and continuing to sell off in towards the downside. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this original switch bearish was over here with a break of structure. So this was our swing high, and this now has been broken. So we had a retracement towards the 50%, made a connection with this strong supply zone because it liquidated this high here before seeing a strong sell-off in towards the downside, breaking this demand chain. This created a nice supply zone, which we could look for shorts, and as since has now created another supply zone here, which we are currently trading within, where we can look for further shorts in towards the downside. If we go on to the 1-hour time frame, the best position here will come after taking liquidity. So we've had our break of structure, our swing high and our swing low. We have taken out this point of liquidity. However, this is still quite, well, it has touched the 50, so you could take the position here after a change of character, which we have seen over here. So you could take a position now targeting the swing low. However, as I said, with NFP, it's not something I'm looking to trade today. If we go on to USD Yen, we can see that we're still trading sideways, still got the risk of intervention, so I'm swiftly going to move on to USD CAD. If we see here on the daily time frame, we've had our break of structure with our swing high and our swing low. Within this impulse, we've come up and taken this point of liquidity before seeing a strong sell-off in towards the downside. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that although we are technically bullish, we have had a strong supply chain that just keeps pushing price in towards the downside, and therefore I am expecting this supply zone to hold and continue pushing price in towards the downside towards the daily points of liquidity. If we see on the 1-hour time frame, this was our most recent break of structure, our swing high and our swing low. As you can see, we have been pushing price in towards the upside. We've got some nice descending high liquidity here that we could look to see get taken before we see that downside continuation. But the strongest, highest probability sells will come once we break this demand zone here, come back up, retest it, and then we're ready to target those lows.